Hello guys, this is Ben VFX right here. Today I just want us to do a pure technical analysis on Euro USD, how you can analyze your chart using just pure naked chart, without indicator, without too much confusion and the rest. So now we are going straight to the chart so that we'll do the analysis together. We'll all learn together and know how to do it. So this, if you come to your chart, first of all, this is daily time frame on my screen. This daily time frame. From daily time frame, I'll first of all switch to 4-hour time frame. You understand? If you switch to your 4-hour time frame, switch to your 1-hour time frame. Then if you want to start your analysis, just go straight to weekly time frame. If you go to a weekly time frame, you see what the weekly time frame is saying. You can see a weekly time frame, this bearish engulfing candle from weekly time frame. You can see that. So what are you expecting if you see a bearish engulf? If you see a bearish candle, is a downtrend, and this weekly time frame, you all know. So you switch to daily time frame. If you switch to a daily time frame, you look for what the market is saying on the daily time frame. So you zoom it. What are you seeing? You are seeing this is a high, this is a lower low, this is a lower high, this is a lower low. Then we are heading up to create another lower high around this area. So the market is going to create another lower high around this area before we see another lower low. So the market is on a downtrend. That's just what you need to know. The market right now is on a downtrend. Euro USD is on a downtrend. That's just what you need to know. So you switch to your, because from 1-hour time frame you can see the market is on a downtrend, lower high, lower low and lower high, lower low and lower high. So you switch to your 4-hour time frame, like you switch to your 4-hour time frame. So if you switch to your 4-hour time frame, you zoom in. If you zoom in, so you see, first of all, you mark out your possible support and resistance from that daily time frame. So we are still going back to that daily time frame so that we can mark out our possible support and resistance level where the market will possibly react from. So now we'll switch to daily time frame again. We still switch back to daily time frame. So you zoom out so that you can see your chart very clear. So let me mark out this support level, then we'll talk about the reason why we are seeing a pushback from here. Then this is support level. Then we'll have another support level down here. We'll have another support level down here. This is another support level. Then there's another support level again. You understand? If you mark it from this area, you can see. And this one is a major support level safe. This is another support level. Then we mark out our resistance level. This is one of our resistance level. This is one of our resistance level. Then this is another resistance level, where you know that yes, if the market comes to this level, it will hard for the market to break above it. Is another resistance level. So from daily time frame, you have marked out your support and resistance level. So what are you expecting? Anytime the market reach that support level, you switch to your lower time frame and look for. And if you want to trade that particular time, you switch to your lower time frame and look for trading opportunity. You know what you look for buy, and you know what will happen before you buy, and you know what will happen before you sell. So you switch to your lower time frame. If you are a swing trader, you can use 4-hour time frame, 1-hour time frame. But if you are a scalper, you switch to 1 hour, 30 minutes, 15 minutes, 5 minutes, even 1 minute you can use as a scalper. So you switch to your 4-hour time frame. If you switch to a 4-hour time frame, you listen to that support level that you mark out. You understand? That support level you mark from the daily time frame, you listen to that support level. Anytime market reach that area, make sure what will come to your mind is that the market is going to react definitely the market is going to react from that support, from where you mark out that support and resistance that you mark out from your daily time frame. If the market reach there, possibly like that is a compulsory that the market is going to react from that particular place. So this 4-hour time frame, and what are we seeing? Like the area we mark out, all of them is working normal, you understand? Is collide with the 4-hour time frame. The one we mark from the daily time frame is right with the 4-hour time frame. So what again are we going to do? So what you will be doing is that, like, how to use your chart without indicator to analyze the market. So what you will be doing is that anytime the market come to that your sub, if it is a resistance, and the market is on a downtrend, anytime the market come to that resistance level, you switch to lower time frame. If you take your trade from 15-minute time frame, if you take from 5-minute time frame, if it is 30-minute time frame, if it is 1 hour time frame, you switch to your time frame where you take your trade from. So you wait for your setup to play out. If the market is on the resistance level, you take a sell. If the market is on the support level, you wait for your strategy to play out, then you take a buy. Like right now, the market is heading to a resistance level where we mark from our daily time frame. Then you switch to 1 hour time frame. You see what the market is doing, and here is our trend line. Also, the market is almost approaching our trend line, almost at our trend line. So what are we expecting if we see something like this on our chart? We wait for you switch. Like, everybody have a strategy on how to take a trade. Like me personally, I have my own personal strategy that I use to take a trade. Like, as the market is right now, if I want to take a trade, I'll switch to 15-minute time frame and wait for my setup to play out. You understand? So maybe if you are somebody that is using 30-minute time frame, you switch to a 30-minute time frame and be waiting patiently. And you know this market is just about patience. You cannot say the market is approaching the resistance level already, then you just go in and sell. You understand? You wait for your strategy to play out. You wait for, like, there is something exactly, as a trader, there is something exactly that you know that if this pattern form, the market is taking this direction. If this pattern form, the market is taking this direction. So that particular strategy that you are using to take your trade, you just implement it here. You understand? This is just as the market is approaching the resistance level, we are expecting a short, like a sell to the downside. We are expecting the market to dump. You understand? Like, for all of us to understand, that's why I'm using those languages. So we are expecting the market to dump to the downside. So what are your plan against it now, towards it now? So you switch to your execution time frame. That pattern that used to form before you take your trade, you just wait for that your pattern. Once the pattern form, if that pattern is a bearish engulfing candle from that resistance level, and you wait for your bearish engulfing candle. If the pattern is an end pattern, if you see an end pattern, then you take your sell position, then you wait for your end pattern to form. If your end pattern no form, no just take that trade. Then if you do not see your bearish engulfing candle, no take the trade. But everybody have a different strategy in the market. That's why some people lose, some people gain, some people lose, some people gain. You understand? So as the market is approaching the resistance level, you know your plan, you know your strategy, you know what you'll be waiting for to form before you enter the trade. So that is just all. And this is just how to use a pure price. This is just a pure price action. You wait for the market to do what you want, then you take action. You understand? Then use a pure naked chart. I don't use indicator, I don't use any other thing. This is just how I analyze my market every blessed day. If I come to the chart, immediately I'll switch to daily time frame. From daily time frame, I'll switch to 4-hour time frame. From 4-hour time frame, I'll switch to 1-hour time frame. From 1-hour time frame, I'll just mark out my POV, my point of view, like where the market will react from the lower time frame to the higher time frame. Then I'll just be waiting for my execution time. I'll be waiting for my pattern to play out, then I'll just take a sell or take a buy. Like yesterday now, I take a buy from this place. I take a buy from this support level. because I know what the market will do from this support level, and I can see a W pattern. Like, this strategy is just plenty, so you know what you use on your own side, you know what you use, and you cannot be taking trade anyhow. You cannot just come to the market, see the market going up and you just take, or see the market going down and you just take a trade. No, you get something that is, you have something that you know, if this thing happen immediately, this is where the market is going. So if you don't have, try have, you understand? So that's how you have to make the chart your friend. Go close to the chart every day, then you know how the markets behave. You know how the market, if you know how the market behave, you can create your own strategy from that side. Then after you create your own strategy, then you stick to that strategy, then make sure you make that strategy your friend and the rest. So if you make the strategy your friend, you know what the market will be doing, and like, you have a relation with the market, and that is just all. There is no magic about that. So me, I take a buy position from this support level right yesterday, because I see this W pattern right from morning time. I see this W pattern, and immediately I see the W pattern, I see this bullish engulfing candle. I enter a buy position around this area, and I opt out my trade around this particular area. You understand? But I think, yeah, that is the only trade I took yesterday. I enter a buy position from this support level because I see this W pattern. This is my own strategy. I'm telling you now. You can even study this strategy as I'm telling you. I'm be implementing it on your own, but try create your own strategy. My strategy might not work for you, and your own might not work for me, depending on how we all manage our trade. You get? So I took the trade from this support level yesterday, and the trade went well. Even after I opt out around this area, let me mark it out. Even after I opt out around this area, why did I opt out? Because of this resistance level. You understand? Because I always opt out before the top of that resistance. So I opt out around this resistance level, thinking the market will go back down, but the market break up and still continue to the upside. But I know quite alright that this trend line and this resistance level is the place where we'll see a possible reversal to the downside. So that's just all for today. I'll be dropping update on how to be using your chart without indicator, because the indicator is not always, like me personally, I prefer using pure charts than using indicator. That is just me. So once again, it's Ben VFX. Check on this channel, make sure you like the video, subscribe.